Namaste viewers. Today let's talk about gratitude and respecting others without finding faults. Faults may be of individuals, organizations or governments. Before going to the topic, it may be befitting to remind the great words of Holy Mother Sharada Devi. I tell you one thing, if you want peace of mind, do not find fault with others. Rather, learn to see your own faults. Learn to make the whole world your own. No one is stranger, my child. The whole world is your own. Now, let's move to the subject gratitude by recollecting the great services of Padma Shri awardee and former National President of the Indian Medical Association IMA, Dr. K.K. Agarwal. Dr. K.K. Agarwal passed away after a long battle with COVID-19 on 17th May 2021 at 11:30 pm at All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi. Dr. K.K. Agarwal was admitted to AIIMS for the past few days and was on ventilator support. A statement posted on the Twitter profile said that Agarwal succumbed after a lengthy battle with COVID-19. In a statement, his family said, ever since he became a doctor, Padma Shri Dr. K.K. Agarwal has dedicated his life to the welfare of the public and raising health awareness. Even during the pandemic, he made constant efforts to educate the masses and was able to reach out over 100 million people through numerous videos and educational programs and saved countless lives. Dr. Agarwal was 62 years old and has been admitted to AIIMS under the best team, but the ultimate truth is that doctors are God's sent messengers but not God. Sudden deaths are reported in COVID. A sudden drop in oxygen saturation level is reported. Death happens and carelessness of the doctors by the family is told the cause of death. Blaming doctors for every death, blaming the system will not let us live anywhere. If doctors could save all the deaths, the grandfathers of those doctors would have been roaming on the earth, being immortal. If doctors had control over all the deaths, the relatives of the doctors would never have died. There are some things no one can control, and death is the perfect example. Dr. Agarwal's death seems that we have still not been able to understand the reasons of death due to corona after all this time. So, stay home and stay safe and be positive. Show gratitude to the frontline warriors like doctors, health workers, police, volunteer organizations, and scientists who are in this cause. And finally, a request, please don't downgrade the morale of the already burdened doctors or health workers. Thank you, and share this video with your friends if you feel it educates others.